Hi kids, today we are going to learn singular and plural. Shall we start?
A doctor, doctors.
I am a doctor. We are doctors.
A bird, birds.
This is a bird. These are birds.
A banana, bananas.
This is a banana. These are bananas. A mango. Mangoes. This mango is ripe. These mangoes are ripe. A cow. Cows. That cow is grazing. Those cows are grazing.
A book, books. I like reading book. I have 3 books.
A tree. Trees. This is a tree. Those are trees. A balloon. Balloons. This is a balloon. These are so many balloons. A leaf. Leaves. This is a leaf. These are 3 leaves. A child. Children. This is a child. Children are playing with toys. A house. Houses. This is a house. These are houses. Please like, share and subscribe.